Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Pandit and you're watching MEP Technical World. In this video we'll learn about basically how to do connection of Hooter or Strobe in fire alarm detection system. So in previous video I have already talked about how to do wiring for detectors as a addressable fire alarm system. So before we start this session, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So basically what is Hooter or a strobe? So a strobe is a flashing light used for visual alerts, while Hooter is a loud sound device used to audible alerts occupants during the emergency inside the building. It generates the sounds level up to 95 decibel. So this heater actually alert the occupants in case of any fire. So basically how it operates: when uh, a smoke detector detects the fire around the premises, it gives the signal to the fire alarm control panel and then to alert the occupants or person inside the building. It activates these hooters. Okay, so this is the actually alarm or visual alerts. So there is lights for deaf persons. Okay, so here as you can see, we are going to do the wiring for it. So before it, let's analyze the terminal block for it. So how to do the wiring? So in simple, here as you can see, this is the Honeywell Hooter or Strobe. So as you can see over here, so from here input from fire alarm control panel or prior device, which could be uh, a strobe, or a strobe. So here plus and minus, which is 24 volt supplied, is given to here. So this is plus and this is minus. So from minus it is again looped to another device here, Hooter, and common one is this one. Okay, so plus is a common one, so loop. So over here again we can loop like this. So this is minus and this is plus and this one is actually common. Okay, we can loop plus common, so we can loop it through. And if we end this, then we have to implement, we have to connect at the end EOL, end of line register, or to next device. So here I have taken, as we are going to do the wiring for the Hooter, so here we are going to use addressable system. So here this is the control module. Okay, this is the control module and this is the Hooter. As you can see, these are the terminals. This side is a loop terminals and this side is the external power supply source. You can give it from fire alarm control panel or separate from SMPS 24 volt supply DC. Okay, and these are the outputs. So through this output we can operate this Hooter. So let's do the wiring for it. So here plus, so loop circuit is circuit from previous device. Okay, which could be control module or a smoke detector or MCP. Okay, so it is coming and connected over here. This is the loop circuit, and from it we can again take, so here again take a wire loop, and this will connect to the next device. It could be control module, it could be detector, and it could be another type of modules and MCP. Okay, so this is the loop circuit, and it again goes back to the fire alarm control panel. Now let's do the wiring for this 24 volt DC power supply from NAC. So here 24 volt supply is given to here, plus here and minus here. So up to here we have provided 24 volt supply to this control module and loop circuit is already connected. Now let's connect this to this Hooter. So from here plus is connected and it is given to this plus terminal of this fire alarm strobe, and negative to again negative side. As we know that if we are using this as an individual for this module in this designated area, then we have to use this UL to terminate this Hooter, so it will not give a alarm like open circuits. Okay, so in this way we can do the wiring for a strobe with the integration with this control module. So basically how it operates: when detector detects the fire, then it will give the signal to fire alarm control panel, and then it will activate this control module. So basically here it is NO initially, and once it is activated it will become NOT NC. So this 24 bulb supply will give to over here, supply over here, and hence it will get 24-volt supply. It will alarm, it will generate the sound, even flasher lights as well. Okay, so in this way it will work. So hope you guys understand about how to do the connection of the Hooters with control module. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. See you again in next video.